Welcome back guys. Sometimes when you try to install a new app on Mac, you might encounter this error that this app cannot be opened because it is from an unidentified developer. Mac OS throws this error because it doesn't recognizes this app as you have downloaded it from an internet. Okay, so in this case, if you want to install this app, what you need to do, you need to click on the Apple icon on the left top corner and select system settings. Now inside system settings you need to click on privacy and security. Okay, now move downwards and you need to find the security section. Inside security section, here you will find this particular app, that this app was blocked, and now to run this app you need to click on open anyway. Okay, here you need to enter your password or just enter your fingerprint. Okay, now to install this app, simply click on open. Now this app has started installing. Here just click on OK, and as you can see over here, the app has been installed. If you frequently download apps from internet and you want to permanently disable that option, so you can do that from a terminal. Okay, so to do that, first open a terminal and type this command. You will find this command in the description file, so just copy and paste it over here and press the return key. Here enter your system password and press return. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to go to system settings, again go to privacy and security. Now here in the security section you will start getting the third option that says anywhere. So that means now you can download and open any app from the internet and you can start using it without any warning. Now to disable it, again use the same command, but just instead of disable use enable and press the return key. Okay, so again if you look at over here, you won't find the third option. Okay, so I hope this brief tutorial helped you out. For more such video on Mac OS, please subscribe to our channel. Till next time, goodbye.